Hey, how's it going everyone? This is YLAM here. In today's Fuji Friday, there's really not that much to talk about, but there are a couple of things that I do want to say, so let's go ahead and get right into it. The first thing that I want to cover is there is a little bit more news about the X100F, or the replacement for that particular camera. It looks like that lens will continue to be the 23mm lens, which is kind of like a small pancake lens, which works perfectly fine with that camera, so it makes a lot of sense. But the purpose of upgrading this lens is to improve the image quality that's going to be coming out of this camera, because the sensors are getting a lot better. So hopefully we'll get more news about that. But a lot of people are actually looking for X Pro 3 news, but I still haven't seen any, so there's really no new developments there. The next thing I want to talk about is actually from B&H, and it's not Fuji related. It has to do with their Payboo credit card, which essentially refunds any taxes that you would have to pay. So I live in Kentucky. I pay 6% tax on any products that I buy through B&H. So I went ahead and signed up. Getting credit card approval was super easy. It was pretty immediate. So I actually just applied for it just when I was about to check out, just to give it a shot, and I was instantly approved. So I went ahead and used it for my purchase, and it was really nice to get that benefit immediately. Essentially, it's a 6% cashback card, except I get it immediately. In other words, I don't have to buy a product, get that cash back, and then be forced to buy something new in order to use that cash back. What it does is it actually applies it immediately to my purchase. So if you live in an area where it's actually approved to be used, you can save yourself a lot of money, especially if you're doing big purchases like camera bodies or lenses. You can save a couple $100 easily on the purchase that you want to do, and that makes a big difference for me. So I really do like this benefit, and I'll definitely use it. The funny thing is that I actually like buying camera bodies from Adorama, because the camera bodies ship next day, whereas B&H ships 2 days. So I get my camera bodies 1 day quicker when I use Adorama. But with the savings with Payboo, I probably will continue to buy at B&H, because it's a lot of money to save when you're buying camera bodies, and it's just overall a great benefit. The last thing that I just want to cover is on May 23rd, they are having that announcement for the GFX100, and what I'm really hoping for is that they're going to have announcements for other things, like maybe an X Pro 3 or an update on lenses. That would be really great. I'm talking about APS-C lenses, not GFX lenses. But I'm hoping for more news than just the GFX100, so I'm really going to be paying attention on Thursday, and I'll talk to you about it on Friday next week. That's all I have this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.